That is our transport for the day. Righto guys, after a troublesome 2 weeks, we decided we got to have a good day. So we are going on a big adventure today. We're going to be doing some stuff outside of our comfort zone. Sue's done some research and booked some stuff, so we'll keep you up to date on that. We've dropped Sophie off at a dog sitter. You want to tell them a little bit more about the dog sitter? Because I have no idea, I just dropped her off.
Yeah, I just found her on Mad Paws, Townsville, and she had great reviews and 18 returning guests, and she was absolutely lovely. So I'm sure Sophie will be looked after for the day.
So we dropped Sophie off, realised I left the bloody memory card back at the caravan, stopped, found a shop, bought one, and we're good to go. So we're about 10 minutes away from where our adventure starts, so we'll catch you there. Woohoo! Here we go. So guys, we go to Magnetic Island. We are jumping on the ferry, the 7:05 ferry. Now, the parking was only $8 for the day.
24 hours.
For 24 hours to leave your car here in a safe sort of parking lot. So I think that's pretty reasonable. Sue, what was the go with the ferry? How much was it?
So I got an online special for $30 per person return, but you can also get family packs. So if you've got kids, I think it was around 72, 74, somewhere around there.
Bloody great.
2 adults, 2 children.
That's awesome. Not a bad go, but it's not far, guys. I think this island's only 8 k's off the coast, so we're going to grab all our gear, and I tell you what, you will be quite surprised when you see what our transport is for the day. But enough of the dribble. Let's jump on this ferry. Let's get across to Magnetic Island. Well, here we are, Magnetic Island, guys, but Sue's done us a dirty. So our transportation, we've got to walk 1.5 k's, but here we just passed the bus, so we've missed the bloody bus as well, so I don't know.
Beautiful morning.
Beautiful morning. Oh, she was a bit bumpy coming in on the old Sea-Link cat, so yeah, but she was all right. So we're going to do this little walk and then grab some transportation for the island. So right guys, let me tell you a little story. So while I've been organising the tow truck and the caravan and organising all of that, Sue was like, oh, let's go to Magnetic Island for the day. And I said, oh, you can organise it. So she organised it, and I'm expecting a car or something on Magnetic Island. Well, let me swing around you and show you our transport for the day. That is our transport for the day. Now, I'll tell you a little story. I haven't ridden a motorbike since I was in the UK in 2004. So it's going to be a pretty exciting day. I'm nervous, I'm not going to lie to you.
It's awesome.
But they didn't even name them. Look, Mac and Cheese.
Derek's the cheese.
So guys, we're going to go for a little explore around the island. There's a couple of places we can't go to. What was it? $290 for the day. That's $200 holding deposit. That's $100 on each, and then we get that back. So for $90 for the day, for 2 bikes, that's with insurance. I think, guys, that's a bloody win. So look at this, guys. Unfortunately, the wind's been blowing, guys, so the water is not as picturesque as what the photos show Magnetic Island on Google, but we're going to make the best of it. So let's jump on the bikes and start exploring. So guys, wow, what an experience the bikes have been so far. I'm absolutely loving it. We pulled up to Horseshoe Bay, I think it is, and we've just had a terrible pie, and we're just sitting taking it. This is the non-windy beach today, and you can see why. All I'll do is I'll flip around and show you around this beach. It's not that hot, so I don't think we're going to swim. We're going to jump back on the bikes, and we're going to take a little bit of a drive around. There's picnic bay as well, and we're just going to go explore the island and see what we can find.
But you are able to rent kayaks here, paddle boards and boats.
Yeah, so it's pretty busy. I don't know if it's locals or people from Townsville to come over for the day, but yeah, it's good. It's good to see that people are getting out after COVID and coming out and enjoying themselves. So yeah, let me show you the Horseshoe Bay. Up a hill, guys. I don't know so much about the power of the old girl, but I must say, I'm having a bloody good day. Whoops, a bit fast. It's not raining, but just gotta be careful. Road's a bit wet. She's a bit nervous, so I'm just waiting for her. The thing is, the cars come up behind you up on these hills and you can't go any faster. There's nowhere to pull over. But we're still having the bloody best day.
Yeehaw! This is awesome! A little bit wet, but a good experience. I haven't been on a scooter for a number of years. Woo! Momentum! Right for renting scooters. I thought I'd have a laugh with Derek.
Guys, we've stopped for lunch. It's raining pretty bad now. Apparently it doesn't rain here, but
Same, 365 days a year.
Anyway, we stopped at Scallywag for lunch. Now I'm just going to grab a fish and chips. What are you having?
I'm having a baked potato and salad.
Baked potato and salad, and then yeah, we can hopefully it stops raining. We can jump back on the bikes and do some more exploring. Yeah, guys, look at this. Fish and chips for me. What do you got?
Spud.
Spud bacon, and I don't know what else. So, yeah, let me just show you. Wow. So, we're just going to sit back, have a quick feed, and then see what the weather's doing. How was that?
Fabulous.
Good? Mine was alright.
It's really good.
Just don't understand why they don't sell soft drinks at a restaurant, but anyway. So we're going to head off. Looks like it has stopped raining, which is a good thing. So we'll jump back on the bikes. I'll stop at the RJ, grab something to drink, and we'll head back to another beach or something. And then maybe look at, yeah, what else is left to do. Now guys, I must be honest, I've had the best day in a while on these bikes. In the beginning, I honestly thought it was a bad idea, but I've driven around the island back and forth in the rain over to Picnic Bay. Look at this, guys. It's really turned it on for us this afternoon. Townsville, just in the background over there. It's not too far. We came here this morning and it was blowing like dirty water, big waves. It was terrible, but have a look at this now.
Beautiful.
How's that done that? Wow. If it was like this all day, we'd be having a lot of fun. Unfortunately, we can't fly the drone here because National Park and the airport, and it's also the army base and stuff. So unfortunately, we did bring it, but we won't take the chance to fly it. We'll do the right thing. Well, we'll sit back, take in the moment, and then one more stop, and then we take the bikes back and we head back to the ferry. We're going to check the ferry time so we don't end up waiting too long at the ferry. But yeah, no real plans as such. Just going to take it as it comes, but yeah, just can't get enough of it now.
What an awesome afternoon. The sun has come out, the water has changed to the most incredible colour of blue, and it's just really topped off the day and made it really worthwhile. This morning was a bit grim, but still had loads of fun. I really didn't think I would be 40 years old and scootering around an island in North Queensland, so it's another one for the bucket list, and I've really enjoyed it. Highly recommend it. I think it's a great way to see the island. Just make sure that it's a good day and it's not raining.
And look out, guys, look at that. The water. So inviting. Hey, what do you think, dear?
It's a beautiful afternoon.
There's our little barks. They've done us bloody proud. Hey, wow, guys. It's been epic. So what we're going to do now, head back, drop the bikes off, and then head towards the ferry terminal. I'm not sure what time. What time? 4:30, eh? 4:30 I think it is, and it's 20 minutes over to Townsville, and then yeah, go pick up that little mongrel Sophie. See how she's had a day. Look at that, still bloody great. Oh well, let's do it. Guys, Magnetic Island was epic. Unfortunately, the weather didn't play its part, but that's all the sort of footage we could get from Magnetic Island. We still had a good time. It was good to get out and stay positive, but I've got something to show you. Let me swing this camera around. Look what's back. The ute, she's back. So, oil cooler's on, whole heap of stuff done to the transmission, and we're back on the road. So hopefully we can get back out and start doing what we love to do, and that's free camping and exploring this beautiful country. So hopefully no more troubles with the ute, and guys, yeah, thank you for all the support again. We really appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button, little notification bell, drop any comments in, let us know how we're doing, how we're entertaining you. But yeah guys, that's it for this vlog. Until next week, we're back on the road exploring. See ya.